Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of July for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 5th house in the sign of Gemini where Mercury is already moving. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships, your business partnership, your business in general, your how you meet with others, how others will perceive you when you will meet others is seen from seventh house. Also, your fame is seen from seventh house along with 10th house. And right now, your seventh house lord is moving in your fifth house. Fifth house deals with your love relationship, your children, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities. In expect in the month of July, you will have good time with your spouse and your business partners. So we can expect in the month of July, you will have good time with your spouse and your relationship. So if you are running any business during this time in the month of July, we can expect you will have a good earning in the month of July because fifth house is considered as most positive house in astrology. And right now your seventh house lord is moving in your fifth house. Also, if you are single right now and you are in love relationship or you have girlfriend, boyfriend or any fiance, we can expect also good result for you people because fifth house deal with all the love relations and your seventh house means general relationships lord is moving in your fifth house. Also, your fifth house lord is also moving in your fifth house Mercury. So we can expect in the month of July you will have good result regarding your love relationships, your marriage related matters and your business related matters. Sun will stay in your fifth house till 16th of July. After 16th of July, Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Cancer. Sixth house deal with court case, litigation, problems, argument, fights, hidden enemies, your loans, your debt. All of these things are seen from sixth house. Your daily routine is seen from sixth house. So your seventh house lord will be moving in your sixth house after 16th of July, and sixth house is not considered very well for seventh house lord. So we can expect after 16th of July you may have some argument, fights, and disturbance in your relationship with your spouse or business partnership. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of July for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 8th house and your 5th house. And right now, as we discuss in Sun section, Mercury is moving in your 5th house in its own sign, means in Gemini sign. Mercury will stay in your 5th house till 8th of July. Then Mercury will move to your 6th house in the sign of Cancer and will stay in your 6th house till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your 7th house in the sign of Leo. But right now, your fifth house lord is moving in your fifth house, Mercury. So we can expect, as we discussed in some section, you will have good of July, especially till 8th of July, till Mercury is moving in your fifth house. We can expect good result regarding your love relationship, your educations, and your mental abilities. After 8th of July, when Mercury will move to your 6th house and will stay here for approximately whole month of July. So we can expect you need to be very careful regarding your love relationship, your education related matters and your mental abilities because 5th house lord and 8th house lord will be moving in your 6th house. Also, your 8th house lord will be moving in your 6th house. 8th house lord in 6th house means one malefic house lord is moving in another malefic house lord. So we can expect you will have some strength regarding your hidden enemies, regarding your argument, regarding your court cases because 8th house and 6th house, both house lord is moving in 6th house because whenever 8th house lord is moving in 6th house, it creates a yoga, means very good formula for the astrology and it creates a Viprit situation in your chart right now. So we can expect you will have these results in the month of July from Mercury for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Leo, where Mars is already moving. Fourth house deal with your mother, your home, your property matters, your conveniences, your vehicles, your peace, your emotions is seen from fourth house. Especially your mothers and your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. Ninth house deal with your father, your relationship with your father's health, your teachings of your father, your teachers, your mentors, your coach, your advisor, your lawyers, your travel related matter, your matter, your religious inclination, all of these things are seen from ninth house. Also your long distance travel means moving from one place to another across the sea is seen from ninth house, means long distance travel is seen from ninth house. So right now your ninth house lord and fourth house lord is moving in your seventh house. First of all, we can expect you will have good time in your love relationship and your marriage partner, as the fourth house and ninth house lord is also moving in your seventh house with Mars. So we can expect you will have great time in the month of July with your spouse and your relationship and in accounts of your business. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July. Also, ninth house lord is moving in your seventh house. So also deal with luck. Means ninth house is considered as most positive house in astrology. Ninth house also represent wisdom and knowledge. So ninth house lord is moving seventh house and expecting your ascendant. And ascendant lord is also moving in your ascendant. So we can expect you will have great time in the month of July, especially before 16th of July. But after 16th of July, you will have some strength regarding your all the problem you will have in your life, because your 8th house lord will be moving in your 6th house. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July. But one thing is very important to discuss here is that Ketu is moving in your ninth house from last year, March 2022. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many problems regarding your ninth house matter, which are your father's health and your father's education, your especially your higher education. So you need to be very careful regarding all of these matter till 30th October 2023, because Ketu will stay in your ninth house till 30th October 2023. But right now your ninth house lord will be moving in good condition in seventh house and expecting your ascendant. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now Moon is moving in your 12th house. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes side in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe in one video. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit easily in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance issues and problems in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with these houses, and moon is considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Either it is a positivity or negativity. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet, in any house in transit during these days, also we can expect we may have some disturbance issues and problem in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. During these days also we may have some issues problem in our life, especially problem will come from the house significance in which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mars control your 10th house and your 3rd house, and right now Mars is moving in your 7th house in the sign of you where Venus is already moving. 10th house deal with your work environment, your work colleague, your nature of your work, your authority, your respect, your fame. Third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your neighbors, your cousins, your childhood friends, especially your communication skills is seen from third house, and your all type of communication, either it is emailing, verbal communication, texting, all of these things is seen from third house, and your efforts is also seen from third house. So right now your 10th house lord is moving in your 7th house. So we can expect you will have good result regarding your workplace and work environment in the month of July, because your 10th house lord will be moving in 7th house. And as we discussed previously, sections you may arrange some good event in your home or you organize some party. So we can expect you will also invite some of your work colleagues, because 7th house is the house of meeting, and house of meeting is occupied by 4th house lord and 10th house lord in your 7th house combined. So we can expect positive result from your work related matter in the month of July. Also your third house lord, but in your third house Rahu is also moving from last time March 2022, but Jupiter joined Rahu in your third house from the 4 April 2023. So we can expect you may have some relief regarding your disturbed third house matters which you were facing from last year March 2020. But right now your third house lord is moving in your seventh house, so we can expect good result also regarding your third house matter. We combine all the result from all the planets for your ascendant, so we can expect good result regarding month of July for you people, because your ascendant lord Saturn is also moving in your ascendant. Right now Saturn is retrograde motion, so we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of July. We will have four major astrological events in the month of July. Number one, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your fifth house to your sixth house on 16th of July in the sign of Cancer. Second major astrological event is that Venus just moved from your sixth house to your seventh house on 7th July in the sign of Leo. Third major astrological event is that Mercury moved from your fifth house to your sixth house on 8th July in the sign of Cancer, and from your sixth house moved to your seventh house on 25th July 2023 in the sign of Leo. Fourth major and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your seventh house on 23rd July 2023 and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for the whole year of 2023 for your ascendant, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all the Aquarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.